Welcome back to the channel of Jack of all trades. This video and the next 4 are about how I made the covers for the drive shaft so no clothes can get caught up into the moving parts. In this video I will be mocking up the first of 3 covers. I will be attempting to make them look as closely to the original as possible, using round bar for extra strength. The diameter is a bit bigger than original due to the bigger size of the joints. If you are interested in merchandise of the project, go to our page, of which a link is in the description. Normally this type of chassis like Panzer 3 and 4 has large brake drums on each side. Because we are using an FV432 steering unit, we don't need them, but we did place the bearing for the brake drum as an extra support. The sheet is about 0.75 mm thick, which is similar to the original. I'm using the barrel of the KWK 43 as a mandrel, which is very handy. I used a bit extra material to be sure I had enough. I'm tack welding everything in place till all fits nicely and will be finish welded later. The round bar is also bent on the barrel. The grey unit on the left is the steering unit from the FV432 and the canister on the right top is for the cooling oil. If you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to my channel. It took me a while to find out the correct shape for the conical piece, which I made out of cardboard first, but that will come in the next video. Hope to see you at Millitracks 2020, where we will drive around with the Nashorn.